Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Eric Johnson.
Good Thursday morning. Well, today is probably going to be the most pleasant day of the week because we'll see those winds starting to pick up tonight into Friday. And we actually could see some gusts of 30 to 40 miles per hour tomorrow, maybe even higher than that through Judith Basin and Fergus counties. That's where we'll see some of the strongest winds tomorrow. That's as a Clipper system starts to move into the region. That's going to bring some rain showers and mountain snow, potentially some brief bursts of heavier snow Friday evening into Friday night. And then we'll look at a nice warm up into this weekend, still tracking some highs in the 50s and low 60s across the area. So get out and enjoy some of the later evenings that we have. Sunset around 6:34 today. In just over a couple of weeks, we'll be looking at that sunset closer to 5 o'clock as our daylight saving will come to an end on November 2nd. So we'll set those clocks back an hour. Now for today, we'll see those clouds starting to clear out as we head through the afternoon and evening. Nice day to get outside for the evening. We'll look at sunshine, temperatures in the mid to upper 50s. And over in Helena, those clouds hang on a little bit longer, so that will keep our temperatures just slightly cooler. We'll be looking at highs in the low to mid 50s around Helena for today. But our temperature trends over the next few days looking pretty good. We're up to 60 degrees tomorrow. We were thinking low 60s on Sunday, but it looks like some clouds and showers will arrive a little bit earlier in the day. So knock those temperatures down to about 58. It'll stay cool into Monday, and then we do see a nice warm up coming in for the middle to end of next week with highs back in the 60s. We've had this large area of low pressure kind of just sitting right over the Great Basin. Right now it's over Salt Lake City. That's going to continue to bring some showers to eastern Montana today, but it continues to kind of nudge a little further to the east. So we'll see those clouds starting to clear out of central Montana for today. But you can see there will still be some clouds sticking around for areas like Fergus County, and then east of Havre on the High Line. We'll hang on to some of those clouds and even a few showers around for today. But Friday starts out dry. We'll see some sunshine in the morning. Clouds start to roll in, and we'll look at that wind really starting to ramp up into the afternoon with scattered showers, some mountain snow. And again, there could be some bursts of snow in the mountains and maybe a brief change over to some snow in some of the lower elevations, but that system is out of here by Saturday morning. And rain totals with this next round is going to be pretty light. Could see up to a couple tenths of an inch, but that would be on the higher end of things. And then in the mountains, we could see an inch or two of snow, maybe even a little more than that in the higher peaks of the Little Belts and over on the Continental Divide. Even the big snowy mountains could see a little bit of snow. Your wind's getting a little bit breezy into this afternoon, but really tomorrow is when you're going to start to notice that wind, especially for areas east of Great Falls towards Lewistown. That's where we'll see some of the strongest gusts tomorrow, potentially over 50 miles per hour. And then that wind should die down a little bit Saturday, but we're still going to be pretty gusty into this weekend. Highs in the 50s in Helena and Augusta, but the further east you are where we see more clouds, temperatures only in the 40s. It'll be 46 today in Lewistown with some showers around, up to 58 in Great Falls, 59 for Fort Benton and Choteau. We're actually going to top out at 60 for Shelby and Conrad today. So a beautiful day for a lot of the High Line, but as you head further east, we'll see more clouds and cooler temperatures. Now again, warming up to 60 on Friday, but we're bringing in that wind, and it stays pretty gusty throughout this weekend with showers by Sunday evening into Monday, and then we'll dry out and warm up for next week. And Helena, you're up to 58 tomorrow, and then I've got you at 55 for Saturday with some sunshine, increasing clouds, and the chance for a few showers Sunday evening.